Welcome to another product unboxing and review, my friends. This is from Amazon. It's the Ikuai. It's a 5-meter extension USB cord. So, I don't know if you're like me. I've had situations where my phone was running out of battery, but my cords to charge it were all relatively short, so like approximately 2 feet long. So if I'm trying to lay in bed and making YouTube videos on my phone or whatever, it was difficult because I had to lay at a kind of a weird angle just so I'd be close enough to charge my phone. But now with this, that problem goes away. What we have is, check out the thickness of that cord first of all. That is nice. This one is 5 meters or 16 feet long. It features USB 3.0, which is kind of cool. It has a little light indicator on there and other stuff. This runs about 20 bucks on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description below. But super handy, guys, especially in certain situations. You can plug this into your Xbox, keyboard, mouse, flash drive, printer, etc. You can do all kinds of stuff with this thing. Let's check out some of the specs here real quick. All right, so here we go. It features this little microchip thing in here. Foil shielding, braided mesh, copper wires, tin copper wires, 20,000 bend tests. That's pretty nice, durable, universal compatibility with all kinds of stuff. USB 3.0, that's a lot faster than 2.0, and it's like the second fastest thing out there right now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. And there we have that. So I will link this in the description below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. But I'm going to plug this in real quick and just show you what kind of speeds we're dealing with here, if I can. So I have my other charger there, so 1 second. Oh, right, here we go. I have my charger plugged in there in the back wall, and we're running it over to here and plug in, as you can see, a short little cord here. And darn it, I don't have a lot of these that are actually, in fact, I don't have, I think, any that are 3.0, unfortunately. So this is a black one. I believe it's a little slower than the blue ones as far as that goes. So plug that in, and then I can plug my phone in here. And charging. So if this was a USB cord that was a little bit better, then it would say super fast charging enabled, because this is the USB 3.0 cable should enable super fast charging. But my other USB to USB-C is a slower one than this. But as you can see, there's no problem with me being able to lay down in bed or be a significant ways away from my charger. Maybe if you're on the couch or something and your plug-in is way behind you, you can still plug it in and charge your phone up and stuff while you're conducting your business. So super handy with that, guys. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a nice little extender USB cord for your phone, for your Xbox, for your printer, keyboard, mouse, all that stuff, guys, check this one out. Should serve you nicely. So thanks for watching this video, guys. You have a great day. I'll link this in the description below as always, and I am an Amazon affiliate associate, so if you do buy stuff through the link, it does help out the channel. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.